In this story, we will see that how you can blur a part of a video in CapCut in just few easy steps. So let's dive in. Firstly, you need to download CapCut app. If you have already downloaded, you have to update it. After updating, open it and simply click on new project. And from here, you have to choose a video. So I will choose this one and click on add. And this video will add into your timeline. So let's suppose we want to blur this car's number plate. Let's see how we can do. Now simply, for the first step, you will find here some of options. You have to click on effects and here click on video effects. You will be on trending. You have to swipe this and you will find here lens. Click on that and if you scroll down, you will find here this blur. If you tap on that, it will start downloading and will automatically apply. Now, if you click on adjust, you can adjust the value of blur. So I will make it to like 24 and 25 and simply click on this tick and here you can see a blur layer. We have to apply this to all video. Simply drag it from here to the all video like this. So this was our first step. Now, if you click on this arrow in the left below side, it will help you to sum up these two layers. Click on that and here it is. Now, in the second step, we have to click on this overlay and add overlay. Now we have to select same video, select it and here we have two layers. First layer is blurred video and second one that we just imported. Now you can adjust it from your fingers like this. After adjusting it, click on this second layer and swipe this below window and here you will find mask. You have to click on that and here the part we want to blur is in rectangle shape. So we have to choose here rectangle like this and here you have to click on invert in the left below side and here we have to adjust it like with this number plate like this. Now this was our second step. So as you can see, when I play video, the car is moving but our blur effect is still. Now we have to move this blur effect with the video that we do in third step. So to do it, click on this arrow of keyframing and make sure you are on the start of the video like I am. Click on this arrow and it will disappear. Now simply run video from your timeline and adjust this blur like this. Now move video in the forward position and adjust blur like this. And simply if you play the video from start, you can see here now our blur effect is moving with our car position. You can delete this last part of CapCut if you want, and if you click on back, it will sum up these two layers. Now to export it, click on this 720p and here you can select resolution for 1080, frame rate to 30 and click on this arrow and then save to device and it will start exporting and you will find this video in your gallery.